We've all been there. You work hard, put in the hours, and that paycheck feels oh so distant. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before the official payday rolls around? That's where DailyPay comes in. DailyPay is a service offered by some employers that allows you to transfer a portion of your earned wages instantly or by the next business day to your bank account, debit card, or pay card. Basically, it's like getting a mini paycheck whenever you need it. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But with all the financial apps out there, you might be wondering, how exactly do you get your money out of DailyPay? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring your hard-earned cash from DailyPay to your preferred account. Now, before we dive in, it's important to remember that DailyPay is a service offered by employers, so it won't be available to everyone. If you're unsure whether your workplace offers DailyPay, check with your HR department or look for any DailyPay information in your company handbook. Assuming you're good to go on the DailyPay front, let's get down to business. Step 1. Accessing your DailyPay account. There are two main ways to access your DailyPay account. The DailyPay app. This is the most convenient option. Download the DailyPay app from the App Store or Google Play and log in using your credentials. DailyPay website. If you prefer using a computer, you can access your DailyPay account by visiting https://web.dailypay.com/login. Step 2. Checking your available balance. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is check your available balance. This is the amount of your earned wages that you can transfer out of DailyPay. Your available balance will typically update throughout the day as your employer submits your worked hours. Step 3. Initiating a transfer. Now for the fun part, moving that money. Locate the transfer section within the DailyPay app or website. Here, you'll be able to choose the amount you want to transfer and the destination account, your bank account, debit card, or pay card. Step 4. Transfer speed, instant versus next business day. DailyPay offers two transfer speeds. Instant transfer. Need the money right away? You can opt for an instant transfer, which will typically credit your chosen account within minutes. However, there's a small fee associated with instant transfers. The exact fee may vary depending on your employer. Next business day transfer. This option is completely free. If you initiate the transfer before the DailyPay cutoff time, usually around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, you'll receive the funds in your account by the next business day. Step 5. Confirmation and completion. Once you've selected the transfer amount, speed, and destination account, double-check everything for accuracy. Then, confirm the transfer. DailyPay will process your request, and you'll receive a notification once the transfer is complete. DailyPay Savings Option. Optional. DailyPay also offers a savings option that allows you to set aside a portion of your earned wages for future use. This can be a handy way to build an emergency fund or save towards a specific goal. Things to keep in mind. Transfer limits. DailyPay may have limits on the amount you can transfer per day or per pay period. Check the app or website for specific details. Fees. As mentioned earlier, instant transfers come with a fee. The exact cost may vary depending on your employer. Eligibility. Not all employers offer DailyPay. Check with your HR department if you're unsure. So there you have it. With these steps, you can easily transfer your earned wages from DailyPay to your preferred account. This can be a real lifesaver when unexpected bills arise, or you simply need some extra cash before payday. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.